swim. You can swim. Yeah.
Baby, there's nothing to look at.
Baby goes in the bath.
Oh, do they have a washcloth?
Mm.
I know you don't like it.
Oh, you don't like your face wash? I gotta see this face. I gotta see this face. Oh.
He likes it.
Yeah, yeah. I'm glad we don't have one of those kids that screams in the bath.
Where's the soap?
Oh, the girls.
You can just, whatever.
I mean, use the same one or no?
Yeah, it's fine. There's not that much soap. It's not that much soap in there.
This is supposed to dissolve if you don't get it all out, isn't it? That one's curly, right? It's not like regular soap. Oh, he must love this. Oh, look at him, he likes it. Most babies don't like this when they get their hands in the water. Look, come around this side, Charles. Quick, quick, quick. Come around here, quick.
Wait, she's photographing it.
Oh, I didn't know.
Well, I just can photograph you too. You go in.
Look,
Alright, it's clean.
that's it.
Put him back in.
Alright, you're back in, you're back in.
Towel? Where's our towel?
He can sit in there for a bit more if he's happy.
That is okay again.
He loves the bath.
What do we put the towel down here now?